Hey guys, what's up? So this is my 6-inch Alien Impulse RC, and it's had a problem with I got a bad motor, so it's kind of rolling itself out when I do a front flip. So I figured it out. Let me show you guys. I did a little video to kind of show you guys what to look for if you're having this issue, and how to correct and what to look for. Okay, so I fly around this tree here, and watch. We'll do a right roll. Nothing. Front flip, very easy, nothing. Front flip with a snap, bow, and there it is. Fell out on me. Here it is again. Okay, let's fly it around, can move it around, nothing's going on. We can roll it right, it's fine. We can snap roll it left, it's fine. Roll it, or do a flip, easy, it's fine. You see it roll out right there a little bit, and then bow, it went out right there. So, let's see it again. Look, we can fly around. Let's try and move it around. As long as we don't do a flip, we're good. We can roll as whatever side we want to. As long as we don't do a flip, we're fine. There's a left roll, right roll, and back flip. Easy. Back flip with a snap. Bang. So every time I'd snap it to stop it, that's what I'd get. So let's do it again. There it is. Pretty consistent now. Glide around. You can move it all around. You see it kind of dip a little bit to the right too. That's why you see me circling to the right, because I'm having believing that it is the front right motor. So now I'm trying to make sure. Pushing it around, you can see it's fine. Roll it's fine. Roll it's fine. It's when you flip. There it is. Okay. So at this point, I go in and I replace the front right motor stator, same bell, and let me show you what the results were. Enjoy the flight.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the pain. Let the bullets fly or let them rain. My love, my love, my drive, it came from you made me a believer, believer. Things third, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did, ever did, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like you made me a believer, believer. You made me a believer, believer. Last days last by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ever and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like you made me a believer, believer.
pretty lies. Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.